Welcome to Tastylife Plant Daddy. Yes, as you can see friends, today I'm going to show you my very cute little plantation with various flower, and the cute thing is this plantation is in the coconut shell. As you can see guys, it's beautiful, so nice and cute as well. This is turtle vine, and I've been planted this in this monsoon because it's growing in this monsoon very quickly, and that's why I've been planted here in this way so that it got enough sun and rain as well. Yes, you can keep it in this way. It looks very nice. And the second one is portulaca or parsley. Parsley, I have so many variety of them. This is actually from last year footage. I've been doing this from last year. This is not this year. I've been planted another thing this year, so they were also very good and nicely survived in the coconut shell. Don't worry about that. Is it going to survive or not? Yes, they are, because portulaca or parsley are very hardly plant, easygoing plantation. They can grow easily. You just cut any small cuttings from them and just put it down in the coconut shell as usual garden soil, so they can be survive easily. Just they need enough sun. That's why I tied them in my grill from the balcony so that they got enough sun. As you can see, I've been shot in a very sunny day. Here I've been shot this footage in the afternoon. Yeah, in the afternoon time. That's why they're very bright. And of course this petunia also from last year December, I have been planted some cuttings of petunia as well, but they were very cute, very nice. For some days, actually for 2 weeks, they are surviving well. As you can see, they looks beautiful. You can plant it any kind of winter plant in the coconut shell, but I want to be clear one thing, or make a confession actually, that it didn't survive for long actually because of too much cold. So I can't give any blame to this coconut shell that it's the reason to die or not surviving. There was huge cold in last year, so they didn't get a little sun at all. That's why. And I also had to go outside also, so they couldn't survive. But as you can see, you can easily make any kind of plant which are grow in cuttings easily. Any kind of plants which grow cuttings you can grow here in coconut shell, and they will look very nice. They will survive very well. So let's do a try for it. It's really nice and beautiful.
Come on, send the radio on this Friday night, and I'm up and around, got it in my head with the makeup on. It's Friday night, and I'm up and around till I hit the. Come on, send the radio on this Friday night, and I'm up and around, got it in my head with the makeup on. It's Friday night, and I'm up and around till I hit the gas. Come on, send the radio on this Friday night, and I'm up and around, got it in my head with the makeup on. It's Friday night, and I'm up and around till I hit the. Come on, send the radio on this Friday night, and I'm up and around, got it in my head with the makeup on. It's Friday night, and I'm up and around till I hit the gas. Come on, send the radio on this Friday night, and I'm up and around, got it in my